You were shopping for a mortgage and you go to lender A. They offer you a 6% interest rate. Now you go to lender B and they offer you something lower, 5.875 on the same mortgage. What if I told you lender B is not only worse, but they're way worse? My name is Grant Botma and I'm a mortgage broker. And I think shopping for a mortgage is a great idea. Buying a home is a huge deal and you don't want to make a bad decision. And with interest rates where they are, you may simply be looking for the best interest rate without even considering what it costs. But I'm here to say you have to consider the costs. And I have a simple trick to help you find which lender has the best rate and the best cost. Did you know that nearly every mortgage lender has the ability to offer you the same interest rate? Without getting too much into the nitty-gritty, every lender is using basically the same list of available interest rates that are determined for us by market conditions. So, what do you need to know about the cost? Each lender has a cost to achieve those interest rates, and that cost can get added to the money you need to bring at closing. Back to our example. You see, most people think that because lender B had 5.875 and they're the lower rate, they're obviously the best mortgage, right? Not so fast. Lender A has a 6% available rate, but the cost is $200 to get that rate. Now with lender B at 5.875, their cost to get it is $5,600. Now, you can do math to see which one works best for you, but here's my simple trick. Ask each lender you're considering to give you the same rate and ask what the costs are associated with obtaining that rate. Because all the interest rates will be equal, it will be easy to find the best lender, the one with the lower costs. So in our example, if you ask lender B to give a rate of 6%, you might find out that their cost is actually $2,000 to obtain that rate. And if you don't like the idea of asking both lenders for the same higher rate, you can go back to lender A. Ask them for the interest rate of 5.875. For this example, we might have lender B at 5.875 costing $5,600 and lender A at 5.875 costing only $1,800. There's a big difference there. So why the big difference between lender A and lender B? The truth? One might be asking for or wanting more profit on each loan, or one lender is not going to have the same operating costs as the other lender. Not every business is created equal. Not every business is as efficient with their operations as the other. Warning, not every lender is going to put their best foot forward right away. This can be frustrating. It makes you feel like they're trying to make as much money off of you as possible, and the only way to get the best rate is if you're a master negotiator. But with this simple tactic, now you are able to best determine which lender offers the best rate. Now here's the thing. Let's say you go to lender A and they're offering you a better deal than lender B. And when you talk to lender B about this, they magically are able to offer you a better deal. Should you use lender B? The reality of obtaining a mortgage is that you are about to ask for help and pay somebody to give you one of the largest debts you'll ever have in your life, a cornerstone in your personal finances, something that is attached to your home. You want it to be set up right. So, do you want to work with somebody that didn't put their best foot forward? Do you want to work with somebody that is able to magically change things behind the scenes? Do you want to work with somebody that maybe you can't trust? Obtaining a mortgage is not like buying a piece of clothing online. It's not a quick transaction. This is something that takes weeks. This is something that requires a lot of your information. It's a relationship with a back and forth. It's my suggestion that you work with a lender that is able to put their best foot forward. That is not only something that you're going to be able to trust, but that's something that you can have peace of mind in after the ink dries from when you sign your closing documents. Remember, when shopping for a mortgage, the lowest rate isn't always the best option. It's crucial to be wary of lenders who may not offer their best deal up front, and to be mindful of who you trust to handle the largest financial commitment of your life. By using these tips, you can find the best lender and mortgage options to fit your needs. If you're interested in getting a quote on a mortgage from Stewardship Mortgage, send us an email at home@stewardship.pro, or you can shoot us a text or give us a call at 602-384-2604. And if you've worked with us in the past, you've trusted us to handle this big financial commitment, thanks. You've likely had a great experience, and you may have even told others about us. Thank you for referring your friends and family to us. Thank you for trusting us enough, not only for your transaction, but to live out our mission of loving people through finances, and your friends and family members too.
Let's get down to the nitty-gritty.